Hey, are you looking to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a site that will pay you $1 for every single survey that you complete. Want the best part about it is that they will send you these surveys every single day to your email address. You don't have to go out and find them. You don't have to search for them on Google. They're just going to be sent to you daily. So by the end of this video, if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to sign up for free and start earning money right away. This is a beginner-friendly method that doesn't require any previous experience. So let's dive in and see how it works. Okay, so before we start, please smash that like button because it really helps me out. And make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on any valuable information. Now, as promised, I'm going to show you a website that pays you $1 for taking surveys. There are actually 2 websites that do this. So I'm going to show you both of them, and you can choose whichever one you want to use. The first one is called Swagbucks.com. Now, you may have heard of this one before, because it's one of the most popular survey sites out there. But what makes it special? Well, unlike other survey sites that pay you points or badges that you have to exchange for gift cards, Swagbucks actually pays you in cash via PayPal. Not only that, but you also get a $10 sign-up bonus just for creating an account. On top of that, you get a $5 bonus when you complete your first survey. That means you'll earn $15 for just signing up and taking one survey, and it gets even better. Swagbucks will send you surveys daily to your email address, which you can then complete for $1 each. So if you just take 5 surveys a day, you'll earn $5 a day. That's $150 a month. If you take 10 surveys a day, you'll earn $10 a day, which is $300 a month. So it's pretty easy to earn $500 a month with Swagbucks. If you want to maximize your earnings, you can also download their app, where you can complete other tasks, such as watching videos, playing games, and more. And once you accumulate $3 in your account, you can withdraw it via PayPal. There are also other payout options available, such as gift cards. The second website that pays you $1 for every single survey is Inbox Dollars. Similar to Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars is a well-known survey platform that pays you in cash. What sets it apart is that it offers a wide range of earning opportunities beyond surveys such as reading emails, shopping online, playing games, and more. You also get a generous $5 sign-up bonus. Now I know what you're thinking. Another survey site that pays me in points, right? Wrong. With Inbox Dollars, you earn real cash that you can withdraw via PayPal as soon as you accumulate $1 in your account. So you won't have to wait until you reach a certain threshold to cash out. Additionally, Inbox Dollars has a dedicated mobile app where you can complete various tasks, including surveys on the go. The app also offers a range of other earning opportunities like playing games, watching videos, and shopping online. So if you prefer using your phone to make money, this is a great option for you. Plus, you can withdraw your earnings whenever you want without having to meet a minimum threshold. So those are 2 websites that pay you $1 for every survey you take. Let's move on to the next part of the video. Okay, so now that I've shown you the sites that will actually pay you for taking surveys, let me explain why this method works. First off, it's completely free to sign up for these sites, and you don't need any previous experience to start earning. All you need is a smartphone or computer and an internet connection. Second, you can do this from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can start earning right away. You don't have to travel anywhere or meet anyone. Third, you can work at your own pace and on your own schedule. If you have some free time in the morning, you can take some surveys. Or maybe you prefer to do it in the evening. It's entirely up to you. You don't have to work a set number of hours. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't it too good to be true? Will I actually get paid? Well, the answer is yes, you will. These websites have been around for a while and have paid out millions of dollars to their users. To put your mind at ease, here are some screenshots of people who have cashed out their earnings from Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. As you can see, people are regularly withdrawing money from these platforms. So you can be confident that you'll get paid for your work. To sum it up, this method is simple, beginner-friendly, location-independent, flexible, and has real payouts, with a low payout threshold. So what are you waiting for? If you want to earn some extra cash by taking surveys from the comfort of your own home, be sure to check out Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. And the best part is that you don't even have to go to Google and search for these surveys. They will be delivered to your email inbox daily. Just take them and get paid. Now you might be wondering, how do I sign up for these websites? Well, it's super easy. Just click the links provided below this video and you'll be taken to the sign up page, and simply enter your information and create an account. It's that simple. You will immediately receive the $10 sign up bonus and be on your way to earning even more money by taking surveys. Lastly, I know I mentioned that you'd get a bonus if you watch till the end of the video. And I'm not going to keep you waiting. Here's the bonus. To get the bonus, all you have to do is follow me on social media and leave a comment on my latest post with the words Survey Cash. I'll personally review your comment and send you the bonus, which includes the sign-up link and some extra tips on how to make the most out of this method. Don't forget to include your username in the comment, so I know who you are. I'll send the bonus to the first 100 people who follow these steps, so hurry up. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Once again, thanks for watching, and until next time.